Hey friends, if you wish to zoom in and zoom out on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So there's an inbuilt tool in Windows known as Magnifier. Now it doesn't open with the shortcut, I tried it, but here's what you can do. Search for Magnifier in the Windows search bar and open Magnifier. Now by default in some systems it opens in 200%, so you can change it to 100%. And all you need to do is click on this and Windows has magnified, and you don't need to press the left click to scroll through Windows. You can simply scroll your mouse and you will notice that everything is magnified to 100%. Now interestingly, this could be a little difficult to use when you first started, but with time you will be able to practice it, and you can also start use it as a reader. So it has a lot of functions. It can also help you read the text and all. It is an accessibility feature actually. It is to be used by differently able people. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.